Hello, Igbo ndị njem ọnụ ekene m ọnụ. Aha m bụ onye nwe mmadụ ka anyị na-ebi. Abụ m onye Akụmazị Ụmụọcha, na Akụmazị Ụmụọcha nọ na ebe a na-akpọ Ikano East Local Government Area nke dị na Delta State. Abụ m onye Igbo. Maka ụnụ nwa ndị na-ajụ m ajụjụ si na nọọsụ Central Igbo ka anyị na-anụ ka ị na-asụ. N'ịbụ impersonator na ịbụrụ onye aịka because na ị na-asụ Central Igbo. Ka m butu asụsụ m bịa n'asụsụ olu ndị be anyị. Ngwa eke nụnụ efam wee nwe mmadụ ka anyị na-ebi. Onye Akụmazị Ụmụọcha ka ewu n'eke ọnụze mana iru Akụmazị wuo isube fripo sekwute ya unedim. Ihe nna agwụ na one onwe n'ike anyị ka dome n'ụlọ sị m n'ime na onye Igbo maka fan ni ihe akpa Akụmazị Ụmụọcha naanị ka ọdọmeme enyi nwa menụnụ esi na-ewu ndị du na-ewu ndị Bini naanị ka eji hapụ ụzọ efa Bini anyị nọ zama efa na ya na-aza kiken bụnụ sike gwama ihe ntọni mmenụ ma na-ene anyị ọma na ya na-ekwu okwu n'ọbịa na atọni m isi ọnụ ụdọ ndọrọ ndọrọ maka ndị si n'iwewu ndị Bini omeni ihe si n'iwe onye Bini efe anyị wife Chukwude efe anyị wife anyị efe anyị wazụka efe anyị wonye ka Chukwu bọdụ kiken ya ezi n'ihe n'onye Igbo n'onye Igbo n'ihe ndị Igbo ya n'ofu kedụ mmụọnụ efe bụnụ mmụọnụ arụ abụnụ na afịa ụnụ azụ na hụ ndị Anambra azụ the same thing. Ebe Akụmazị enyewe enwe ihe nze enwe ekwensu Akụmazị enwe ihu anị na ka isube enwe ihu anị edimobi ihu ihu anị ene ncha ele ụka eke kwughara ibewe ihu eji mara ni kwuo eji mara iwe nwa na akpọ ọnụ ka okpo oke omena iwe onye ka unu ere n'ugwu unu maka onye ere ugwu ene ugwu onye ọzọ ka okoji ewu ihe ọ ka awụ. Like I repeat again, let me come to those who doesn't hear my dialect, my Igbo dialect, or who don't understand Igbo well. Today, there is an argument whether the Igbo-speaking party in Delta State who are seen within the Delta or whether they are Igbos. I am from Akụmazị Ụmụọcha, as you all know, and Akụmazị Ụmụọcha is in that Delta North. Permit me to tell you that we are 100% and 101% Igbo. The truth of the matter is that we have studied, we have made research to find out the genesis of this identity denial. People started denying their Igbo-ness immediately after the war when, Awolowo enacted a policy that if you are an Igbo man, whatsoever amount you have in the bank, that you are only entitled to £2. And not only that, Igbos were being denied of positions in government. Igbo were being denied jobs in government. Igbo were being marginalized, treated as a second-class citizen. In doing so, a whole lot of people, Igbo people from Delta State, started saying they are not Igbos. Now, if we say you are not Igbo, the question is, where are you from? A lot of them directed their lineage and they are listening to Benin, because if you say you are not Igbo, you must say where you are from. This is the genesis of Namabronyi Igbo, Nambonye Benin. It all started because they were doing that because they want to safeguard their property, they want to safeguard their money in the bank, they want to make sure that jobs are not being denied of them in the Nigeria system. And even at that, the Hausa man, the Yoruba man knows that they are Igbos. They denied themselves for over 50 years, 60 years. Their children that were born in 30 years ago, 40 years ago, grow up to see themselves not being Igbo, but yet they speak Igbo. Somebody like me, I was once like that. Once believed that I'm not an Igbo man until I began to see things that I began to see things that keep popping up questions. And then I said, no. How would this be? How can this be so? I started asking questions. Even up to this moment, nobody has given me answer to it. In all the communities in Delta North, like a place in my community, we are called Akụmazị Ụmụọcha. We have Umulede, Umuede, we have Abo, we have Owa, we have Mbiri, we have Ogume, we have Onitsha. Okwane, Onitsha, and so on and so forth. We have, if you come to Akụmazị, we have Oba. Are you aware? We have Oboro. Are you aware that when you cross the bridge to Anambra, you see a place that is called Akuku? There is a place called Akuku in It cannot. Igbodo is found in River State. There is a place that is called Igbodo in River State. Are you aware? Are you aware there is another Ahaba in Isukwato local government after Ahaba in Delta State capital? Are you aware that we have another Ibuzo in Udi? Udi in Enugu here. We have Ibuzo in Udi, as we have Ibuzo. Are you aware that we have a place that they call Ozoboro after Orifite? We have Ozoboro, meaning the word Ozoboro means another Oboro. That means there is a place where Oboro firstly existed, and that is why these people call their name Ozo Oboro, meaning that they recognize that place that is called Oboro in Delta State. If you go to Isukwato, you see Ndiabo. When you go to Abia State, you see Umweka. We see Umweka in what is it called? In Abia State. If you go to Akwa Ibom State, there is a local government that is called Eka local government. And this Eka local government, that is where you see Igbo speaking in Akwa Ibom. Are you trying to tell me that these names are coincident? The answer is no, they are not coincident. Are you aware that the dialect of Ndeka, that if you go to Nsoka, you see people speaking exactly the way Ekas are speaking? Are those cases coincident? The answer is no. Are you aware that if you go to Ebonyi State, there are people that share the same dialect with us? Are you aware in Ebonyi State, if you are going to Ikwo or Izambo, there is a place that is called Ndokwa Village? As you have Ndokwa and Okwale, are those words coincident? Those words are no coincident. But the truth is that we are denying ourselves, trying to become what we are not. The call for the unity of Ndibo is not a call to deny you of your central land. Rather, it is a call to bring you together with your larger family so that you can be useful in politics, so that you can be useful in governance. And that is why we are working day and night to see that we are united. I want you to take a leave to the northern part of the country where we have so many ethnic groups. I'm talking about those who don't even share the same language, not to talk about having dialect being broken. If you go to the north, we have Idoma. They have their language that a Hausa man cannot hear, except the Hausa man has lived in the midst of the Idoma. They have Fufude, which is the language of the Fulanis. We have the Hausa Fulani, we have the TV language, and so on and so forth. Yet, these people has had the reason to unite themselves at the northerners, and they call themselves the Hausas. They do that because they know that in coming in unity, they can hold power as far as politics is concerned. And that is why every politician in Southeast, in Southwest, need validation from the North before becoming anything in Nigeria. Because the North has succeedingly bring themselves together to be one. What stops us from doing so? We share the same language family. If I speak, everyone that speak Bia understand what I say. Why are we dividing ourselves by ourselves? I want you to put it into consideration, give it a huge thought, and come back to me and tell me what you think about what you just heard from me. Ibonine Bofu, irrespective of the state that you find yourself. Until I come your way again, I remember your humble brother, Oyenwa Mado Kainebi. Igbo has been known on the social media, and my title is Ochikoli Igbo One Budu. I had the Igbo. Awesome mama, we nazadi afa. Yadarona, Chineke gozi unu. Ndewo.